As more schools around the world are closing due to the spread of coronavirus COVID-19, it is important to make sure learners are well supported, especially with public examinations fast approaching. In this video, we will cover 3 ways you can support students with their learning at home. Number 1. Using Microsoft Forms. You can use Microsoft Forms to produce flipped lessons. You could insert a video into a Microsoft Forms quiz. The students can now watch the video and then test their understanding by answering a set of questions you create. Not only is this an engaging way for the students to cover or to review content, it also provides you, as the teacher, with immediate feedback on how well the students are coping with the tasks. This may then allow you to provide constructive feedback to the students. If you would like a step-by-step guide on how to create a flipped lesson quiz using Microsoft Forms, click on the video suggestion on the top right of the screen. Number 2. Using Microsoft Teams. Microsoft Teams is a powerful tool which allows you to create a virtual learning environment which connects students with their teacher and their class members. Not only would it provide tools to communicate with students, it also provides you to coordinate tasks and set assignments. Many of the Microsoft applications can be integrated into Teams, such as attaching a Microsoft Forms quiz, automatically setting up a OneNote class notebook for all the students in your class team, or, if your school allows it, provide a live lesson via video call. Teams is a great way to develop independent learning skills, communication skills, and a collaborative culture within your classes. Number 3. Using Microsoft Whiteboard. If you feel creating and editing videos will take too much time, why not use a virtual whiteboard to deliver a lesson with all the resources in one place for the students to access? Microsoft Whiteboard is an application which provides you with a customizable digital whiteboard. You can type or write notes with the stylus, place post-it notes, insert images from the internet, take photos using your device's camera, and insert resources from Word or PowerPoint. One of the best features of the Microsoft Whiteboard app is its ability to invite others to collaborate on the same whiteboard. This means you can have others creating content at the same time, and so is perfect for group work, even though group members may not be in the same room as each other. Once you're done creating your work, you can send it to OneNote, or you can post it to a specific class in Microsoft Teams. This means all members of the class will have access to the notes. If your school is shut for a period of time and your school has subscribed to Office 365, then you have access to all of these applications to help make sure your students do not fall behind and to make sure that they are well supported. And if your school hasn't closed, then it's still worth exploring these applications and activities to help enhance teaching and learning in and out of the classroom. If you have found this video helpful, please give it a like, subscribe to the TeachMe channel, and don't forget to click on the notification bell so you know when more useful guides are released.